Morning families, I would like to lift up a prayer for all the fathers. God bless fathers, Lord, I pray on this special Father's Day. Make them strong so that he can do his work. And for us sons and daughters too. Give him strength for every day. Help him lead us in your way. Grant him blessings from above. And most of all, your tender love. Amen. Happy Father's Day to all the men who are fathers and father-like figures.
To my Dad, you gave me a gift a child can receive, love, caring, and kindness. Today I give them all back to you. You did so many things for me. I mentioned just a few. Thanks so much for everything. I'm glad my dad is you. God bless you all. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers.
What is a dad? A dad is someone who wants to catch you before you fall, but instead picks you up, brushes you off, and lets you try again. A dad is someone who wants to keep you from making mistakes, but instead lets you find your own way, even though his heart breaks in silence when you get hurt. A dad is someone who holds you down when you cry, scolds you when you break the rules, and shines with pride when you succeed, and has faith with you even when you fail. Happy Father's Day. To all the fathers, spiritual fathers, and people who are like fathers of Emmanuel, I would just like to say, Happy Father's Day.